Good morning, guys. Happy Monday. How are ya? How's everyone doing? Hello, hello. Today's Tuesday, pickable day, and I'm gonna log profits on Amazon. If you guys are on the Amazon swing trade, congrats, that's a big one. If you guys are on the Apple swing trade, I'm sorry. Yeah, beautiful. That's 130% up. Apple is dead. Nothing to do there, to be honest. Pickable. Yeah, today's pickable day. Okay, so watching IWM. I want to see it holding. It looks like 228 is the level. We had an ugly rejection there. Ooh, what a dump. What a dump. Apple 222, 220. Big level to watch here. 136 on Nvidia. 420 on Microsoft. Teslita. What is Tesla doing? Let's see. To be honest, guys, I don't really need to trade today because I made a bunch of money yesterday trading futures. I swing a position overnight from Sunday till Monday, and I made a good amount of money. And with Amazon today, I also made a lot of money. So honestly, I don't need to trade anything today. Tesla could not. If Tesla cannot hold 430, there is not a trade for me. At least not to the upside. Damn, what is this reaction? What is this reaction? The problem that I have here is that SPY has a lot of resistance above. A lot. Like everything pretty much is resistance. Is right now at Friday high, and that's obviously resistance. Let's see if it's gonna hold it. And then we have resistance at 602, a little bit above 604, and then obviously all-time high. So we have resistance everywhere here on SPY. But these are the big ones. So let's see here if it's gonna hold the Friday high. I guess that's the level to watch right now. And then the other problem that I have with SPY, beside having a bunch of resistance above, is that if SPY keeps gapping up and the candlesticks are not too bullish. So it's gapping up, I guess, due to news and Trump and all that and data. But it has a bunch of gaps below, and the candlesticks after gapping up are not strong candlesticks like Friday. Friday, it gap up here and it gave us a very small body, wicks at the top, wicks at the bottom, so that's an indecision candlestick. And we have this big gap here. So it's gapping up, but I don't see it too strong. And then the Q, it looks like it's weaker than SPY, and it also has gaps below everywhere. Pretty much the entire last week kept gapping up without feeling the gaps below. Ooh, look at Tesla. Tesla's dead. Okay, let's see if the Q can hold 523. If cannot hold that, most likely it's gonna go to Friday's low, and then we'll see how it reacts there. If it's gonna hold, we could see a little bounce. If not, it's gonna go for the big gap that you have under 519. Do we have data today? So far, SPY is holding Friday high. Not today? Okay, awesome. Okay. Okay, so Apple definitely weak. Microsoft weak. Nvidia is holding pretty good, but it's in the middle of nowhere. It needs either to break 140 or go back down to 136. I would love to see it back down to 136 so I can enter calls on Nvidia. Amazon definitely looks like it's reacting, but we'll see. The DJT YOLO is done, so I got out of that one. It was a YOLO, so it was a 50-50 play. Man, TEM, Nancy Pelosi's new buy is flying. People are not... That's so funny. Like, people cannot handle her buys. And the funny thing is, like, I know it's not her, it's her husband, but he's buying very good charts. Like, when I see the technical, when I look at those charts are pretty bullish. So he's a good trader. But people are just not even thinking about it and just buying those small cap stocks that she bought. I'm gonna wait for those two. It's let me check it out. She bought Nvidia, Google, I think, but the ones that are more interested in buying is TEM and VST. I'm gonna wait for those two to kind of calm down. They're both gapping up pretty hard. It doesn't matter what percentage I did on DJT, it was a YOLO, so it doesn't matter. It's a YOLO. It's something that I know that if I lose on all my money on that play, I'm okay with it, because again, I said it was a YOLO play. So a YOLO play is not a real play. It's a 50-50 gamble play. Ooh, nice bounce here on the market. Also, a YOLO play, you cannot play it, like, you cannot go in with the same amount of money that you put in on a regular trade like Amazon. So yeah, TEM and VST are the next two, I think, long-term swing trade that I'm looking for to get in, but I'm gonna wait for the gap fill first, and then when everyone forget about those trades, I'm gonna buy. Mm. 140 Nvidia. So we have the VWAP reaction here on the Q. So definitely the Q way weaker than SPY. IWM, I like what it's doing. You can really hold 228. Most likely I'm gonna get in. I got that. I'm getting the 229 calls for next month, 21st. Ooh. Okay, wait. What was that? I'm gonna wait. I was about to press enter on the IWM buy, but now I don't love it. I don't like this. You know what? I'm gonna wait for a daily candle for today to close above today to close bullish. Yeah, I don't like this. What? It's who's talking? What was that? Okay. Yeah, no. I was about to press buy on IWM. Okay, no. That was a big reaction. Big one. IWM is holding pretty good. Okay, based on how the market is moving, it's definitely a day for scalping. Yeah, definitely the Q way weaker than SPY. SPY It's looking ugly, very choppy, but it's holding pretty good so far. Apple pretty weak, Amazon kinda weak, Nvidia really trying to hold. I guess Nvidia wants to boom if the market allows it. Okay, let's see if the Q is gonna react here. I would like to see a little bit higher near this level and the VWAP. So far we had nothing on SPY. Apple trying to hold to 20, Amazon pretty weak, Microsoft pretty weak, Nvidia doing nothing. IWM trying to hold, but it keeps reacting to 28. Yeah, definitely. That's good. That's good. Yeah, you're right, Greg. That's pretty good for us. But that's pretty good because the market loves Trump. The market is pretty bullish with Trump. The only thing is that one tweet from Trump, or yeah, one X post from him can definitely wreck your account. Did you guys see how Bezos' wife was dressed for the inauguration? That woman has no class. And all the Mark Zuckerberg memes were so funny. Yeah, that's when we know, like, no matter how much money you have, you cannot buy class, right? I think everyone was talking about that and Melania's hat. Okay, we have another reaction here. Look at these spies going nowhere. Yeah, that's true, Angie. I thought the same thing. I thought exactly the same thing. I like how Ivanka was dressed. Her Oscar de la Renta dress was beautiful. Google, let's see what Google is doing. Oh, nah. Look at this, Google. Okay, guys. Do you wanna put your money on this? Do you really wanna buy here at the top? That's a no for me. Like, Google was a buy here and was a buy around here. But when it is right now, do you see that rejection of all-time high? Do you wanna buy there? Not me. Not me. Look at this 30-minute candle. That's ugly. You have a gap below. Even if the VWAP really holds, I'm not gonna buy here. I'll buy if breaks all-time high and we see a break and retest there. What am I doing? Okay. Yeah. I'll wait for a break of all-time high here, which made a new all-time high today. It's a little bit above previous all-time high. And I'll wait for a break and retest there. This is the one that I've been waiting forever, and the one that I like. But I'm gonna be very patient here and wait for clean hold, because I don't wanna enter on this one and have the same thing that happened here at 4:30 on Tesla. Look at this. What happened here on Friday on Tesla? That was a fake out. Everyone and their mother were waiting for 4:30 to hold on Tesla, and look at that daily candlestick. That is an ugly rejection on Friday, right? So if we don't see a clean hold, at least for me it's a daily candle hold, or at least a bigger time frame candle hold at very important support or resistance. It's a no entry for me. And the other thing is, like, being patient is very key on these type of trades, because let's just say if IWM really holds here at 228, which looks like it's the level to watch, even though it's holding Friday high. 228 had very ugly rejections here, so I'm gonna wait for a strong hold above 228. But let's just say it holds 228 today and I don't enter. It's okay, because we want to wait for real confirmation that is holding a key level, and it's gonna have a lot more upside coming. So I prefer to wait for a good entry instead of entering early and then getting fake out, because again, we have a huge downtrend here. If it really breaks that downtrend, a lot of more upside is gonna come. A lot of more upside is gonna come. So Better to be safe than sorry. I'm waiting for the Q to break this 523 level, or maybe go higher and reject just like it did here. Especially now that 523 is right at with the VWAP. So if we can have a bounce here and we see reaction, we can play the downside continuation. If it breaks the VWAP and hold it as support, we can play a bounce here. I think the cube right now it's weaker than SPY, but it's also cleaner because SPY has no trend. We can see how the VWAP is right inside all the candlestick, not trending up or down, it's just flat. And the Q, it has a downtrend here and it's starting to get a little bit flat. So we'll see. I think the break of the VWAP or rejection of the VWAP, it's gonna tell us where it's gonna go after. If you're feeling risky, you can enter IWM here with a stop loss a little bit under, I will say a stop loss at Friday's high. So basically, if cannot hold Friday's high, that be your exit. Yeah, Apple is holding very good for 220, but I don't know, it could be a bear flag. The 5 minutes kind of looks like a bear flag, so I will say it depends if it breaks the VWAP or not. I would love to see Nvidia at 136 again. Uh, 220. I don't know if it's previous earnings low or not. That's a level that I have. Like basically I have a level from 220 till 220. Let's see. I have a support level from 220 till 221, I will say. Yeah, that's earnings low. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, I see it here. That's earnings low. Hey Joshua, how are ya? Yeah, Google, that was an ugly rejection of all-time high. The Q definitely pretty weak. Microsoft rejecting the VWAP. Same thing with Nvidia. Amazon, I think we have a perfect exit on Amazon, locking profits, taking advantage of their high premium after a gap up. That's a little trick. It's not a trick, like we should. Okay, so when you have a swing trade and it's gaps, let's just say you have calls overnight, right? And it gaps up, you need to take profits right when the market open, because that's when premium are pretty high. The IV is gonna be very high after a big gap up or any type of gap up, or if your input after a gap down. So you definitely need to take profits after a morning gap up or down. Premium is pretty high there, and then premium kinda like comes down, and then you see the stock either pulling back or consolidating for a little bit, and that's when the premium goes a little bit lower. It goes back to normal. Okay, so very clean rejections here on the Q. These two candlesticks rejecting the VWAP, pretty clean there. The next level that I'm watching is around 519. That's Friday's low. Under that, we have a gap here on the Q. Yeah. Friday's low, and then we have a gap here. I do think definitely the market needs to pull back, because what we talked a few minutes ago, right? I don't like how the market keeps gapping up based on news or data with weak daily candlestick, and without filling any gaps. And SPY is at a very strong resistance. We pretty much have all these as resistance. Okay, this level, that's pre-market low. Let's see if SPY is gonna hold it or reject it. If rejects that level, it's definitely gonna keep going lower. And if SPY keeps going lower, the Q is just gonna die, because the Q way weaker than SPY. Ooh, Nvidia looks like it's gonna give us the 136 level again. That retest, if goes to 136 and hold, that could be a possible good entry to play the upside continuation. What is a weak candlestick? That is formation. If you go to my YouTube channel, wait. My YouTube channel. Wait. Okay, so if you go to my YouTube channel and click videos, the popular, this video is where I explain you guys how I trade, and there I explain you how to read candlestick, and there you want to know what is a strong, a weak, and an indecision candlestick. I'll send you the link. No, that's the link. Okay, we have a bounce here, pre-market low on SPY. PST definitely looking like it wants to fill the gap. Any charts you guys are looking at? TEM is looking, or TEM, looking pretty strong. It's holding 45 at support. Nike? Let's see. Nike. Oh, 70. Definitely 70 is a very important level for Nike. Yep. 70. Very important level here for Nike. Is that all-time low on Nike? Oh yeah. Ooh. I think this could be a good opportunity to swing trade to the upside. Wait. Okay, so Nike. You could definitely bounce here. Well, it's already bouncing, but I can see bouncing a little bit higher, to probably 75, 74.50. Yeah, I do like Nike. This is an all-time low. And we can see how in the past really held this level. The enter VWAP or anchor VWAP. I don't use that. How is Nike looking? And look at the 5-minute time frame here. Oh yeah, I will definitely. I'm not gonna get it, but I definitely like this one. For a swing trade, I will just buy like 6 months out contracts with a stop loss around 70, and then just buy it and forget about it. But I do like this one. Oclo, Tesla. I don't like Tesla. I don't like Tesla right now. It's moving due to bad news for EVs, so I'm not touching Tesla. Oclo? No, what do you guys like about this one? That's an ugly chart. Like, it's showing clear rejection of previous all-time high. Well, okay, so this looks like a fake out here. Let's see. Maybe if you see it holding the VWAP, it could definitely go higher and retest 32. But do I love this chart? Not really. But yeah, it could just bounce here. This is previous all-time high. It's right at previous all-time high. If it breaks the V1 and use it as support, we could definitely see it going to 32. Well, the charts that I really like are IWM, if can hold 228, Nvidia, if can hold 136, Amazon, if can hold 226. Those are the 3 charts that I really like. Remember to like the video, guys. I'm not looking weird stocks, to be honest. Just the popular ones. We always trade, we know how those stocks move, and we know that have high volume. Yeah, that was a pretty good entry. The VWAP rejection, yes. Why wouldn't be? I don't see a reason why it wouldn't be. You can see how it's downtrending. Yeah, I told him it's trying to hold 228, but it's still not a strong hold. It has a bunch of wicks at the top. I don't like it. SPY really fighting this downtrend here. It's definitely a weird pullback. Very slow. Big candlesticks. Looks like very risky to trade to either side. I'm gonna be very patient today for my trade because, like I said at the beginning on the stream, I'm already green because I traded yesterday. And that with prop firms, Sunday, yesterday, and today, it's only one day. So I definitely don't need to trade futures today. And we got a very good swing trade with Amazon, so no reason to push trades, especially with what the market is doing right now. I traded futures. And I also made a bunch of money with the Melania coin. It was fun. Crypto was pretty fun over the weekend. On Sunday and yesterday. Look at this 30-minute candlestick here on the Q. That is ugly. I use Phantom Wallet and DEX. I don't really actively trade crypto. It was just moving a lot over the weekend. People can make and lose a lot of money with crypto. Like, I saw a guy that made like 17 millions with the Trump coin. Okay, IWN's looking definitely way better. And okay, what was that? Why that? It was only trading view, or you guys also saw that weird move here? No, I don't like Amazon the pullback right now. I think the entry was last week on Amazon, for me at least. Phantom, and the other one is DEX screener. This one. So let's just see. This one. This is where you can trade. Phantom is more for buying and holding because it's a wallet, and this is a kind of like a broker. DEX screener, which is fun. Okay, IWM is looking pretty good so far. The Q rejecting here. That could be another good opportunity. but I don't love it because looking at this 30-minute candle here, I don't love the downside. It went down again. Okay, we have here another VWAP reaction. The market is moving extremely slow. Makes me not trust anything, to be honest. You have very slow move, but also big candlestick out of nowhere. And I can see how the market is just like SPY is really refusing to go lower, and the Q is having also more trouble to go lower. Raro, yeah, it's raro. If I see the Q holding 423, I'm gonna go long. Sí, me gusta el café. Panchito. I like your username. It's funny, Panchito. Oh, thank you. Yeah, today it's gonna be fun. Miami, it's kind of cold. It's cold for Miami. Let's see how is the weather today. Yesterday was freezing. Again, for Miami. I know you guys up north are really freezing. Right now it's not too bad. It's 70. I'm going to Vegas at the end of the month, like in 2 weeks, and it's a 5 degrees. It's cold. It says like warning, extreme cold in Vegas. $16? Yeah, it's cold. And I'm going to New York next month, and it is at 14. I saw it was snowing over the weekend on New York. Where's the video? Let me send it to you. So you can go to my YouTube channel videos, and then click popular, and it's this one. Step by step, how I make 10k S&P if I start in trading again. That one. Oh, Vancouver, the thing is that it rains a lot. So when I finished high school, like, my parents had this thing that when we finish high school, we will go up, they will send us abroad and to learn English, right? So I was a foreign exchange student in Illinois, also freezing. My brother went to Vancouver. He said it was raining. It rained too much there. And my sister went to Brighton in England. And it was also like pretty dark and cold and rainy. But it's the brightest city in England. Illinois, where I went, it was freezing and it was pretty boring. It was extremely boring. Anyone got here in this VWAP reaction? It was a little bit tricky because it was looking like it wanted to break the VWAP. Yeah, it's on the coast, yes. I'm definitely liking this IWM hold. By the way, right now, Tradeify is 30% off on the straight to funded accounts. Those are the accounts that I use. And 50% off on the evals, which are pretty good also. Tradeify is the best one right now when it comes to payment. And my funded futures too. My funded futures is also having a promo right now. Let me see if I can find it. Which is weird. They don't really make promos. Yeah, it's this one. So it's 40% off for new users and 20% off for anyone that buys the started 50k accounts. Both are pretty much good. My funded futures and Tradeify. Both are very good at payment. Like, you just apply for payment and you're not gonna get denied. They both use Rise for payment, and your payments get to your bank like in 1 day. It's pretty fast. The only big difference that I see with my funded futures and Tradeify is that Tradeify allow you to buy straight to funded accounts, and you can buy up to 5 accounts. My funded futures, only 3 accounts, and they have a lot of different options. I think they have too many different accounts. Like, people, like, if you read it, if you're new and you go to my funded futures and see all those accounts, it could give you like analysis paralysis because it's too much. But I like the let me see. With my funded futures, the milestone, it's pretty much a straight to funded account. Yeah, the milestone is straight to funded account, and I like the started. Yeah, that's the one that it had 40% off, right? 20% off. Yeah, that one. The discount code is ADR. Yeah, I like this one. This one is the one that I use. This one here. Nvidia is in the middle of nowhere. You need to wait until either it breaks 140 or it goes back down to 136 and it holds there. Like, nothing to do with Nvidia right now. Okay, let's see if the Q it's really gonna hold the VWAP here. I think it's gonna do it because look at these 30-minute candles, guys. It's definitely telling us that don't want to keep going lower. It's just very choppy. For my funded futures is this one, the started account. And it has 20% off. If you're new with my funded futures, you're gonna get 40% off on that account. It's this one here. Started plus. Okay, come on, Q, just break that. All right. It keeps rejecting there, but I don't know. I think it wants to break that 523 VWAP level. It's just having a lot of trouble keeping this downtrend. Still showing rejection here, so no place to the upside so far. It needs to really hold the 523. Okay, so we're still rejecting the VWAP here. Tesla 400 could be a good opportunity to buy the dip, maybe. The playlist, it's called Creators Mix on Spotify. De nada. That is a mess. Look at this. Nvidia is holding pretty good, but it needs to go to a key level. It's in the middle of nowhere. Amazon also nice hold here. 226 pullback will be perfect if you guys want to play the upside continuation on Amazon. Oh, HD. I remember how we used to trade HD like all the time, pretty much every single day. Ooh, HD is back to 420. Why HD is flying? Yeah, 420 on HD. If you can really hold 420, that's your entry. Remember how we were waiting for 420 forever, only to not be able to hold 420 here because 420 is previous all-time high? How I was waiting for 420 on this pullback, and then it had an ugly break of 420. Now it's back to that level, 419, 420. I will wait for 420 to break there and hold it as support, and that will be your entry. Yep. Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah, makes sense, definitely. Makes sense, yes. But so that's when we need to be like really quick and buy before this big move. Like the buy was before this big move. Man, this market is doing nothing. Yeah, crazy choppy. The Q definitely looks way better than SPY. I just don't love it. So if I only look at the chart, like technical analysis, yes, 523 looks like a good entry for puts, but the problem that I have is that the previous 30-minute candle looked pretty bullish, and it's holding too good. Like it's not giving us like more continuation. So for me, that's an indication that the market is just one to bounce. And we have also the big 7 stocks like Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, holding pretty good support. Like holding support pretty good. Okay. And look at these weird candlesticks, especially on SPY. Apple looking pretty weak. When is Apple gonna stop bleeding? I think I'm just gonna go and trade some crypto meme coins like the butthole meme coin, Trump's fart meme coin. People are funny. Melania, I'm buying the dip on Melania, to be honest. Maybe I'm wrong, but Ivanka is dying. I mean the meme coin. What? Okay, so I was looking at this meme coin over the weekend. Yesterday, I was looking at this meme coin. Look at this 30-minute candle. 30-minute like time frame. Look at this. I was looking at it yesterday. It was like 250. Holy mo. I was looking at 250 and I was like, oh, this looks like a good, possible good the buy opportunity, because all meme coins that were not related to Trump were down when Trump and Melania coin came. And look at this. Now it's at 21. Dang it, I missed this one. That would have been a huge trade for me. Friggin' coins. Consuela. The Consuela coin is pretty funny because Consuela is supposed to mean a worker at Trump's house. Consuela. And we can also use technical analysis for these freaking coins. Like, it's holding support. Resistance here, now acting as support. Maybe it's gonna boom boom. It's funny. Oh man. The Q still reacting. IWM holding pretty good so far. Yeah, the thing with those coins is you need to be in and out pretty fast. But I do think Trump coin, it's at a very good spot to buy. It's holding the golden pocket as support pretty good. Look at this chart. I do like it. I definitely like this one. 30, maybe 23. It's support. That's a golden pocket level. If you guys use Fibonacci's lines, and I do like this Trump pullback here. How did I came to this trading world? I just wanted to make money without having a boss. That was it. I was looking to make money online, honestly. And then I got a Timothy Sykes ad, I think on Google search. And then that's how I started. I started with Timothy Sykes penny stocks videos. And then I move into options. And now I pretty much can do anything. I feel like I can trade anything. Is that DJT? No, that is Trump meme coin. I don't have a channel for meme coins, but I did watch a very good video, YouTube video that I'll show you guys. Because to trade meme coins, you really need to understand volume and market cap. Something that I don't really pay attention to when I'm trading options. Where is it? Okay. This guy has very good tutorials for trading meme coins. All these tutorials here. This one. It's pretty good. Yeah. I will say these two are pretty good. And this one too, how to buy meme coins. This one is the one where I find out about the Phantom Wallet and DEX. Yeah, IWM. If you guys like IWM, just get in. You guys know what's the level on IWM, 228. If it's holding 228, go for it. I don't think I'm gonna enter IWM today. I'm gonna wait for the daily candlestick to close. And if it closes strongly holding 228, I will look for pullbacks or bull flags tomorrow to enter IWM. But yeah, these two videos, it has everything that you need to trade meme coins. But I will say the key thing to understand when trading meme coins is meme coins are coins that are definitely worthless. So don't try to read what the meme coin is about. It doesn't matter. It's just a pump and dump. How long it took me to learn how to trade? I will say 2 years. Yeah, 2 years. Oh, thank you. Did I ever think about quitting trading? No. I was so desperate to make trading work for me. In my mind, so the idea is like if you want to become a profitable trader, just understand that you are gonna lose money the first 2 years if you don't look for a coach or someone to help you. so you can get faster to really understand how to trade. And then if you don't do that, it's definitely gonna take you to 2-3 years to become profitable. And but I will say it's definitely the willing for you to keep pushing. Like for me was, if that person can do it, I can do it too. That was all I was thinking about it when I was learning to trade. But I will say the first year, to be honest, nobody knows anything when it comes to trading. We think we know, but we don't know anything. We don't really understand the market. And then after really learning how to read the charts, really understanding technical analysis, it's all about patience, being patient. Like right now, you guys can see how, yes, IWM is moving, yes, IWM is holding above my support level, but I'm still making the decision to not trade, even though I can see IWM moving higher. Like, I think profitable traders are okay not taking a trade. Do I use volume? No, I do not use volume to trade futures or options. You do need volume, understanding volume, to trade crypto coins. Another thing that I think is very important is understanding to, if let's just say you're following me on YouTube, right? And you like how I'm trading. Just keep trying with one person. I would say system, strategy. Don't jump into one person, then another coach and another coach, because you're not giving it time to develop the system, right? What helped me the more, I will say, the pain of not making money, the pain of losing, it was what makes me be impatient. And I'm still battling with that. I think every single trader had you can have bad weeks or months that you need to go back and really understand what you're doing wrong. And then for me, it was not being patient enough. So I'm working on that again, keeping it in mind, it's okay not to take trades, and that I don't need to trade. It's better to not trade than having a red day, just because I wasn't patient enough to wait for a good entry. Right now, it's a perfect example for that. I'm just waiting here for the Q to break the VWAP. Look at those 30-minute candles on the Q. That is definitely telling me that the Q is having a lot of trouble keep going down, even though it keeps rejecting the VWAP. So I think those type of things comes with experience and looking at the bigger picture. If I'm only looking at the 5-minute time frame, or only looking at 2 or 1 minute time frame, I will not be understanding what's going on, because for me it will be trading a little bit blind if I don't see what's going on the bigger picture. At least that's how I trade. I know some people only use the 1 minute time frame and they're very quick and very good traders, and that works for them. For me, it doesn't work. Just like I know it doesn't work for me just taking trades right when the market open. If I don't wait for a clear level, a clear trend, I know the market is not in condition for me to take a trade. What charts time? I use the one that you guys see here. Daily, 30 minutes and 5 minute time frame. Is the Q gonna break the VWAP right now? Come on. We needed to hold. Look at SPY. What a move. I honestly never was big on indicators. I remember I had the VWAP, the MACD, and RSI. And I still think the MACD and RSI combined with levels on the big time frame, those two, I would say MACD, RSI, and levels on big time frame can really give you good indication when to enter swing trades. I don't use them because I don't like having a bunch of stuff on my charts, but I see people using them, and honestly, those two indicators are pretty damn good when they're signaling the same thing together, like both at the same time. What broker I use for meme coins? The one that I just showed you guys, DEX. 10 indicators? Whoa. I have a feeling that the Q is just gonna burst here and gave us a huge candle out of nowhere, and it's gonna be too late for me to take this trade. Okay, I'm going long here. Let's try it out. Let's see. If you cannot hold the VWAP, I'm getting out. Apple is looking pretty weak. Yeah, I'm still holding SMCI shares. I'm gonna take these out. How Netflix influence NQ? I don't know. I don't think it's gonna be too important, to be honest. unless it has really, really bad or really, really good earnings. Playing poker? Come on, just move. Do something. Amazon, if it breaks 230, no. No, I already took my profit on Amazon. I'm not looking to re-enter Amazon, to be honest, unless it goes back down to 226 and holds there. How many points? No idea, because I don't use NQ charts. So no idea how many points is my stop loss. You have the HD 420 reaction. Apple definitely looks like it wants more downside. Nvidia is holding the VWAP pretty good. Same thing with Amazon. Microsoft pretty choppy. Oh, let's see what Meta is doing. Meta doing nothing. Pretty choppy chart. Even the daily. The problem that I have with Meta chart is that Meta is being extremely choppy. On the daily, it doesn't have like a clear trend. I'm playing Pickable today. Okay, we're looking good. The chart is looking definitely better. We have this candlestick holding the VWAP as support. Let's see if it's gonna keep going. If it keeps going, my PT is gonna be morning high and then pre-market high. If IWM can close today like this, that will be perfect. If it really can hold 228 on the daily chart. Google still looking like an ugly reaction. Ugly reaction with a gap below. Costco, let's see what Costco is doing. That was a very clean 920 bounce on Costco. Very, very clean. Now needs to break 960. Okay, looks like it doesn't want to hold it. Let's see. I want to see it holding here. Okay, looks like it's gonna stop me out. Let's see. Okay, I'm out. I'm out. Don't tell me you're gonna bounce there. Okay. I found the feature no discount. Maybe the promo ended. Are you buying the started plus account? Because it's only with the 50k started plus account. Is this a bear flag? No, it needs to be a started plus account. It's working. I'm using it right now and it's working. You're not buying the right account. It's the started plus. I'm gonna try this one again. Let's see. My stop loss is gonna be this previous candle low. Okay. Let's see if we have more upside continuation here. I'm selling one, holding one. Let's see if I can go back to at least break even or green, hopefully green. Okay, I don't like that. No, I don't have a trading view set up. Trading view is too easy to use, and there are like 1,000 videos on YouTube. Even on trading view, they have a bunch of tutorials. And I don't use anything on trading view, only the VWAP. So what am I gonna show on the tutorial video? Bum, 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 bum. Oh my god, the market is horrendous. It's been like that for 2 months. Like, can I just trade? Okay, bye. I'm done, guys. I'm done for today. This is BS. I'm not trading more. Not trading anything more. This is too boring. This is too choppy, too boring. I'm out. Yeah, I'm out. I'll see you guys mañana. But there's no reason for us to trade this. Like, no follow through, no continuation to either side. Very choppy. That's recipe to lose money. So yeah, I'll see you guys mañana. Thank you for being here, and remember to like the video. Bye.